General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right. Tuesday, 6/24/25. I think tomorrow's power too. Let's see anything else. Yeah, that's it. Okay. New home sales is important, but the market kind of chopped when Powell was talking. Powell part 2 on Wednesday, 10 a.m. And the Powell testimony don't move the CME Fed watch. It was like 70 something yesterday. It went up. And I guess the war is over for now. Or the Israel one. See, 81% chance to keep the rates the same. Earnings. I know we don't got no earnings. Yeah. Micron is semiconductors. So, but it's not nothing I would look at as far as it's going to move the market for trading purposes, but maybe give sentiment for NASDAQ in the future. Nothing significant. Yeah, I knew that was going to traded. NASDAQ. Dollar on the daily. We had that nice retracement when they thought we was going to war. We did exactly that move. We gapped down. We didn't hit my target. This is interesting, but yeah, that news for that war. I don't think we're going to sell yet. I think we're going to retrace a little bit first. Some in here. I don't think we're going to respect this either. The way this gapped is out of control. Just look at this. It's just gaps everywhere. Here, close here, open here. It's just too many gaps. Too many gaps. We should retrace before heading lower. We really could go and retake that high. I wouldn't be surprised if we do push up and stop out all these early sellers, because this feels like manipulation. We're ultimately still in this range. We come up, nobody's buying the dollar. It's like a manipulation. So come back up, retake this. Just to mess people up and then go down. Yeah, I should add that too right quick. It won't take that long. It's possible we can rally and run that stop hunt again. Just to trap sellers. NASDAQ on the daily. Pretty much one-sided update. I believe we hit all-time high too. Yeah, we did. Oh no, we didn't. Pretty much just the one-sided day up. Now let's see what this is. It could just be levels. Okay, no, we still got room to go. Let's go to the weekly. took out a lot of weekly liquidity. We still got that new week opening gap right there. This is that gap from right there. And we're pumping right now too. This thing is aggressively going to all-time high. Look at these 2 days, Monday, Tuesday. That is insane. And we closed above this. This old high that we broke, we could buy from here again. If we close below 50% of this candle, these 2 days are kind of dangerous because there's such large ranges. We could just stay trapped. This is not Powell. This is the war ceasefire. It's like nothing is stopping us. We pretty much got a pause on all tariffs and a pause on all major market moving war. So I think the price of oil can come down. Solid break through the high. We could retest the old high. Could be a good buy level. Also, it serves as a mile marker. We can stalk sales under that price. Because it would mean the stop hunt is over. So that's a good line in the sand and a half. And I'm going to put alert on it for old high. Could be a buy, could be a sell, whatever. Same thing anyway. I think I deleted the old ones. Okay, that's EU. And for S&T. I don't need no new lines here. This old weekly high and this old weekly low over here. That's what I need still. We swept both sides of this range, so I can kind of focus on this range now, because this is the old range we was playing in. I think it's bottom to top. So if we don't buy from this level and we get back up under here, we can start targeting this new week opening gap. So it's still a good mile marker or point of reference. Here we swept here, and this is like right on 2025 open price. The whole all-time high is so close. Like we're probably less than one deviation away from this. That's about half. It's about one. Do that. Yeah. I'll keep that. Buy retracements at old high level. Let me move this. Old weekly high. Or wait for sales with confirmed order flow. Yeah, we took that all the way out. I don't even think we came back to it. This is like a breakaway gap. Yeah. As far as up targets, since we are bullish, I would have to say that inefficiency because we are so far away from what's left. Let's see if it's an untapped key level way over here. The first one would have to be this. This is a gap here from a long time ago. As far as here, it's probably just a higher time frame level from the weekly what I was looking at. But for hourly levels, this failure swing, that's an order block. Yeah, that's it for now. All right, go back. It used to be one of them buttons too. Okay, we got this fair value gap here. What's that? 22,531. That's the target. 22, 531. It's my target. Alert set at low weekly high. To play the bounce. Higher. Or stock sales underneath. Yeah, because that's a beast of a chart. We could come here, do a fair swing, fill the bag, come down here, and still keep everything nice and neat in this weekly range that we've been in for a long time. We just left it today, but so easily we can come back up in here and chop some more. Look how we chopped over here. This is like a month. December to February and stayed in the same place. But that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.